So good morning, friends, and today I am going to tell you about an application that I made today to convert WEBM file. Sorry, to convert WEBM file to MP4 file. Actually, yesterday I faced a problem where I have to convert this WEBM file to MP4 file because this WEBM file is not supported in Premiere Pro. And now the only solution I got yesterday was to upload this into a cloud converter to convert it to MP4 file. And it was not at all convenient that I have to share my video to another third party source. So I made this local solution for this conversion. So I will share the link of this program. I will upload this program in Google Drive and I will share it with you. Now let us see an example for this conversion. For that, I have a sample WEBM file in my in my uh, download section. You just need to have the file path and the file name for this. So let us copy the file path and file name. First, copy the file path and then let's run this program. It will be asking you to enter the full path of the .webm file. Then first I pasted the path, then I will paste the file name. Okay, I pasted the file name, and now I have to press enter bursts. Now it has already converted, it has already converted the WEBM file locally to MP4 file. And now I will press enter and this terminal will close. Okay. Now see whether it has successfully converted this file to this. This was the WEBM file I was having. Let's run it. So this is the sample video that I am going to convert it into MP4 file format. Okay, let's do it. It was the video and it was the MP4 version of that video. So this is the sample video that I am going to convert it into MP4 file format. Okay, let's do it. So we have successfully converted the WEBM file to MP4 format locally in our computer. So thank you. I am a little developer. I develop this kind of solutions and it does not have any threat of virus because I have developed it by myself. So you can use it by yourself. Okay, it is not closed. Thank you. Okay, thank you.